Good morning, SK. I'm Noah.
And I'm Naomi. Today on WTV, learn more about tomorrow's big homecoming game and the dance this weekend.
Hear how you can be safe in the morning while you're waiting at your bus stop.
And learn about alternative classrooms for tomorrow's big pep assembly.
All that and more coming up on WTV. Starting with homecoming news, there is still time to buy your homecoming tickets if you haven't already. The price is $12 with ASB and $14 without. Remember, the dance is this Saturday, so get your tickets fast. Tomorrow is the last day of Spirit Week. Today is Dynamic Duo, and tomorrow is class colors. Seniors wear pink, juniors wear red, sophomores wear orange, and freshmen wear yellow. Staff can also join in on the fun by wearing maroon SK merch. After-school tutoring is now available, so if you feel like you're struggling in math or social studies, visit the library Tuesdays and Thursdays from 2:15 to 3:15.
This just in, the visit with Northern Arizona University has been canceled today and will be rescheduled. Speaking of college presentations, Arizona State University and Oregon State University will be here on Tuesday. On Wednesday, Pacific Lutheran and College of Idaho set to visit. And on Thursday, Montana State University will give a presentation during 4th block. If you're interested, visit the Career Center or email Mrs. Millett to learn more. More news for seniors. If you would like a custom photo in the yearbook, please submit your photos to skseniorphotos@gmail.com before December 1st. Do you ride the bus to and from school? Well, it's time for a reminder on how to safely wait for the bus.
See that? Oh, you don't? This is how a lot of people look at bus stops early in the morning. Even a simple cell phone flashlight could save your life. Add bright clothes and reflective surfaces, and it's even better. Protect yourself and others. Be seen, be safe.
Stay safe, South, especially as it gets darker in the morning. Speaking of buses, please remember that next week is an early out week. So if you'd like to ride a different bus home, please remember that bus pass notes must be signed by a parent or guardian and turned into the main office before school starts.
Tomorrow is the big pep assembly before homecoming. The assembly will take place in the gym before school lets out tomorrow. So that means that we'll be on a different schedule than normal. On the screen now are the times that bells will ring during the day. Remember, school will start at 7:25 and gets out at 2. Buses will be transporting students as normal. If the assembly isn't your thing, there will be many assembly alternatives you can go to. We're running them right now on screen. We'll also run them on TVs in the Commons today and tomorrow. Remember, you must be at the assembly or an approved alternative tomorrow. And finally, this mostly applies to teachers. WTV will not be broadcasting the assembly like it has been in the past. We apologize for any inconvenience. And one final note about the assembly, here's the class seating. Juniors and seniors will be on the small bleachers, while sophomores and freshmen and the band will be on the big bleachers.
In sports, sadly, we don't have any results from yesterday. In the schedule of events, boys tennis and girls golf are still at league play. Girls swim will have their senior night. And finally, girls soccer will be at home while volleyball will be away. Tomorrow, girls swim is at the SPSL Invite. Boys water polo is at home. And of course, the big homecoming game is tomorrow with a kickoff at 7.
In club news, the FFA chapter meeting is today after school in room 262. Join in for fun activities like apple bobbing and more. For FCCLA members attending the regional meeting tomorrow, please wear a red, white, or black shirt, no t-shirts. Also wear black or tan pants and black shoes. For more information, email Mrs. Lazaro. FCCLA is also hosting a STAR event workshop on Monday in room 106. Bring your laptop and questions for the project you selected. D&D Club will meet in Stage 2 this Monday and will then run every Tuesday in the Commons. Art Therapy will meet after school every Thursday in room 264. Spectrum Club will also be meeting next Wednesday in room 318. Breaking news in the world of clubs. STEM is canceled today. The clubs meeting today are 3D Wit, Art Therapy, Ceramics, DECA, FFA, Flicks, German, Japanese, Psychology, Shades of Color, Spanish, and Unified. Meeting tomorrow will be AAPI, Builders of Unity, Drama, and Pickleball in the morning.
So, you going to homecoming on Saturday?
I am, and I'm so excited. Wasn't your co-anchor from the other week about to ask you to go to homecoming with her?
I think we should end the show there.
I guess so. See you later, SK.